Hello, my name is swissbianco. In this video I will talk about filework Swiss Army knife. We just got in the latest run from Tom Stratton that he did do for swissbianco. What we did was basically give him a couple of the blade show run that we did. So that is Apocalypse green and the Davis grey. In front of the camera is a farmer that got fileworked. I'm gonna unpack those knives and we're gonna have a look at it. Each knife was made in 100 pieces and only the ones that are in front of the camera did get fileworked. So it's really a small number of that already limited edition anyhow. We do those videos to show how that can look like it. Those are all handmade, and once they are gone, they are gone. That's the only chance we have to see them all together, all of them at one time, and then they will go all over the world. The models you see in the newsletter, the swissbianco newsletter, mainly it's 93mm Swiss Army knives, but also some 84 ones like this one here. It's a micro farmer. We see the beautiful work that Tom did do on the spine of the Swiss Army knife, on the blade itself. Each one is handmade, so there is always a bit a difference, of course, in the file work there. That is not something that is done with the CNC machine or something like that. The Apocalypse green did do really well. Many people like that bright color. Also the Davis grey, a classic English grey aluminum, did get really well feedback too at the blade show and in the forums. Sometimes a bit shiny for the camera, but I hope that it will film the file work pretty well. So that is what we got in this run on the filework. We have 4 pieces in AP green, 8 pieces in Davis grey, different models. So if you are interested in one of those and it's still July 2014, they are in stock right now. Then as they are sold out pretty fast. This is basically a really rare variant that we do from time to time to keep up the art of file working on the main blade. Prior us, not many did do that, and nobody had the factory okay to do that. Our work is always warranted by Victorinox in eBach, so that's the main concern, that the quality must be there, the warranty as well. So everything is fine. If you ever have a problem, maybe later on, from whatever part or the workmanship, there is full warranty on that. And of course the file work on the blade is not gonna damage anything at all in that regards. It's just an embellishment that is an art in itself, so that makes those few knives even more precious and more rare. That much about the latest file work run from Tom Stratton in July 2014 for Swiss Bianco.